Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my November 2020 Witch's Bounty box. Very excited. It smells like flowers, roses, if I'm not mistaken. It's a pretty intense smell when I opened it. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. Let's check it out. Beautiful. To rise above. It's a theme. I always look at this last. Beautiful art. Sunstone. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that here. It smells so strong. Let me see here. Phoenix. Let's see if this is the smell. It's got all sorts of goodies floating in it, but it looks like it's rosemary, so it's not the smell. No, it's like a rosemary, like spicy, yummy. It's definitely a yummy smell. The roses, you may or may not know, are not necessarily my favorite smell. It's definitely this. This smells like flowers. Not that flower smell is bad, it's just really strong. Oh boy, I'm trying to open this thing, and it's, ooh, pretty glitter pink candle. So, put that on top of there. Back a little bit so you can see all of that. And then put that like that so you can kind of see more. Okay, we've got a little stone here. It says Sunstone. I don't know if this is that though. I don't know. I don't recognize this stone. Pretty. Let's see what comes of that. Make sure there's nothing else in here. It's got like pretty padded satin box. Oh, I'm upside down. Oh. Beautiful. That sparkle. You see that sparkle? It's really pretty. Wow. And then there's a little tiny something right there. It's red. This is really pretty. Oops, let me. Sterling silver pendant, sunstone, and citrine. Wow, that's really pretty. It's really pretty. Keep that there so you can see it really well. Let's read this insert. There are moments on our journey where we break down, yearning for the breakthrough to occur. These breakdowns can be associated with anxiety, fear, self-doubt, and destructive behavior. As practitioners, we are wise enough to take the time necessary to work through these challenges, relying on the sacred tools that surround us and the spirits that are willing to assist. There is great strength to be gained from diving deep into our own shadows and rising through and above them, more knowledgeable than before. In this very special collection, we work with the fiery aspects of sunstone and citrine so that we may achieve victory through conquering our deepest fears. Magical items in this box are as follows. Sunstone and citrine, 0.925 pendant with silver chain. Sunstone has been revered for centuries as a stone that brings the sun and has been found in the burial mounds of Vikings and used across ancient Greece to bring great fortune to those that were lucky enough to acquire it. A deeply powerful stone, Sunstone brings with it a wonderful sense of personal power and promise, allowing us to breathe deep with vibrant intentions and exhale the many worries and self-doubts that we can often confuse ourselves with. As the stone is associated with the element fire, it pervades warmth, openness, and mental clarity, pushing us towards existing in a state of higher consciousness. The ability to travel into these states allows us to see doors as opportunities that were previously hidden. Sunstone provides us with the ability to pull wisdom and knowledge from our deepest pain and trauma, using it to guide others through the similar challenges, serving the greatest good. A wonderful stone of service, Sunstone cultivates the attitude of serving others, generating leadership qualities in those that decide to work with this stone. While you connect with these energies, allow the wonderful qualities of Sun to catapult you into a transformative state, pushing you through the necessary cycles of spiritual and emotional rebirth. Wow, that's really super appropriate. So the little one is citrine. It helps fostering a sense of imagination. The work we do inspires us, fuels our passion. Citrine provides us motivation to push towards real and effective manifestation. Cool. So the Phoenix Anointing Magical Oil. So pushing through situations so that you may continue on your path of transformation, known for rising through the ashes as a brilliant resemblance of rebirth. The Phoenix is a wonderful symbol of overcoming challenges and rising through difficult times. Wow, so appropriate. This box is always spot on. So it has cloves, cinnamon, vanilla, and sandalwood, as well as orange, calendula, cinnamon, and rosemary herbs. And a Lemurian quartz. Fire ritual incenses. This is fire ritual, but it doesn't smell like that at all. Or not what I think of. Solar light spell candle. We would hand roll this spell candle for you so that you may include the energies of passion and action into your rituals. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize yourself reaching your desired goals or overcoming specific challenges that you are currently facing. Clear Alluvial Sunstone. Wow. To accompany you on your path, we have included this rough alluvial sunstone. Allow the stone to guide you through rough terrain and on winding paths, pushing you towards your highest path of action. This unique stone was sourced and deposited by a stream with running water. The Sunstone Book of Shadow artwork, very beautiful. And lovely. I absolutely love this box. Great box. So pleased. This pendant is just beautiful. Let me see the length of this. It's moderately long. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? It's a little shooting star right here. And there's got like a couple spaces, like if you're smaller or larger. Let me just see. Because usually the strings don't fit me, but hey, this one fits perfect. So I'll just, ooh, I'm so awkward. There we go. Right there, on the largest chain right there. And I think on probably a thinner person, it would probably come farther down into the bosom. So that's a really nice length. I'm so pleased that the chain fits me. Yay! Very good box, guys. Highly recommended to you. The information will be in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope that you are checking in and checking out the content on the page. It's been a lot of reviews. There's a lot more reviews coming. Probably a couple unboxings, although it'll be pretty minimal in December because I'm not going to be getting my Sugar Muses boxes next month because Christy's having some kind of family issue and she's not going to be making a box until January. So it'll just be the Witch's Moon and Sacred Space crate boxes. I did order a mystery box from Anita Apothecary, but I am going to be sharing some stuff that I intend to support some smaller witchy businesses on Black Friday. And also I've supported some Kickstarters that I'm getting in the mail, so I'll be sharing that as well as just other content. So hopefully you enjoy it. Love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.